So, after a couple of days on our private island and a couple of days of driving, we've made it to the southwest of Norway, to the second biggest city, Bergen. It's such a charming place. This is the old town where we're staying, and it's absolutely stunning.
So as you walk through the streets of Bergen, which is the street art capital of Norway, you will see tons of examples of street art ranging from stencil art to full-blown paintings in alleys, walls, everywhere. And as the story goes, in 2000 the artist Banksy came by Bergen and Banksied all over the place. But back then he wasn't famous enough, so all his work in Bergen has been scrubbed away. However, this led a lot of local artists to be inspired and take up the whole street art. And specifically one artist in 2003 called Dolk, pseudonym obviously, started this whole movement inspired by Banksy. And as you walk through the center and old town of Bergen, you will see tons of examples of this kind of art.
Obviously we're in the south and it's now the middle of May and somehow it is still snowing. I don't understand it. So we're here in Bergen city centre at the World Culture UNESCO Heritage Site of Bergen. Bergen means dock in Norwegian. It's also known as Tyske Bergen, which means German docks, because the buildings were built in a German style. The docks have been running here for almost 1,000 years, but the buildings you see behind me were built in the 1700s. After a big fire here in Bergen burnt everything to the ground. So one of the most iconic views of Bergen comes from the nearby mountain Fløyen. It's really popular with both tourists and the locals. I was actually advised to check it out by my hairdresser. There are two ways to get up there. You can either take the funicular or you can take the free and more outdoors friendly hike up to the top. It's a 330-meter elevation gain, and obviously that's what we're going to take today.
So Bergen has the stupidest weather I've ever seen in a city anyway. Within the past hour it's gone from quite hot and sunny to slightly rainy to snowy to this amount of snow, back to sunny and back to this kind of snow. It is insane. I don't know how they prepare for their day and what they dress up with, but yeah.
No snow inside.
Righto, we're back at our place, and as the weather hasn't been cooperating with us, we decided to stay in Bergen for another week, as we feel there's still a lot to see in the area, a lot of hikes to do and a lot of things to experience. So following this video, we might just have another one for you guys focused around Bergen. Till then, see ya!